Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the system colors on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So as you can see here, when I slide down from the right top part of my screen, I see some colors. They are green, and if you want to change them, they are also displayed in other things like I guess here you can see it's just the secondary color, and to change that you need to go to the wallpaper and style, then go to color palette, and you can, when you disable that, it will be just all gray everywhere, and when it's enabled, then you can see adjust the apps. You can also apply it to the app icons, but I see it kind of ugly, so I don't really like it. You can set it to wallpaper colors, so it all aligns with your wallpaper set on your phone, or you can set basic colors and choose any of those. So I'm just gonna set it to my wallpaper color, maybe this one. I'm gonna apply it. And now you can see it is everywhere across my device, and it looks pretty great. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.